Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your email address in KuCoin account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in kucoin.com and click on Enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, at the top right corner of the screen, you will see your profile icon. Hover your mouse to it and find Account Security option. Click on it. After that, under Email section, you will see Change button. Click on the button and click on Confirm button again. Now, you need to verify using your email address. Click on Send link here and open your email. Find the email from KuCoin and copy this code and paste it here. Now type in your new email address on this field. After that, click on Send Code button here. After that, type in the verification code which was sent in this email. Now click on Submit button. After that, your email will be changed. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.